Giving Molly some fresh Procharger oil. Thanks to her for getting it off. Look at this crap. Stinks. It's already all drained out. Go ahead and put in one bottle. That's all it takes for the D1. Fresh fluid. I don't know if you guys can see it or not.
What?
But that little hole right there is the drain hole. You don't want to get any fluid on your belt, or you would need a new belt. Go ahead and put the screw back on there and fill it up. Man, we got it all done before the rain came. Chalk. Safety first. Got the homie A-Dog right here holding up the carbon fiber fenders. Trying to load them up with some blankets. Got the goods there, a little dusty. Like I said, we got the carbon fiber fenders all loaded up. We are on our way to Modulate Motorsports with Alex to go pick up the Harley and sell these fenders to Jesse while we're at it. We got the homie A-Dog right here providing us with the way of transportation. Got the jams over here. We don't own the rights to that, no copyright. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get on this little trip. Is it your favorite being next to these kind of trucks? You love it, Aaron?
Love what?
Being next to these trucks.
What no, man?
Why?
Final destination shit, man.
Swaying this way too.
Yeah. I'm afraid you're not even looking at his side mirror. I'm on his blind side.
Benji.
15 Mustang. Yeah, we're gonna put it in a 87 Crown Vic.
87 Crown Vic?
The car's getting painted right now.
Oh.
This is the following day. We were at the grocery store, Jade and I. Had to grab a couple things here. Harley drove great yesterday. AC blowing cold. We did get those carbon fiber fenders sold. Really didn't want to, but man, I've had them a little over 2 years and they've just been sitting there collecting dust, so figured, let somebody else enjoy them.
The reason that I haven't been in usual videos is because I wasn't been told that there was videos. So yeah, that's why I couldn't be in those videos. I'm sorry, but if you wanted to see me in the videos, but you could look at our old videos. But I'm so sorry that I couldn't be in those videos.
We appreciate you guys tuning in. Got something special coming in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for the next vlog. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Peace.